Welcome this video title Elevate Your Outdoor Space Inspire Depth Idea. Introducing your deck is more than just an extension of your home. It's an outdoor sanctuary, a gathering place, and a relax of your personal style. Whether hostel, summer, barbecue, enjoy a quiet morning coffee, or a simple soaking up the sun, your depth should be a place that inspire, relax, and enjoy. If you look to read new life into your outdoor oasis, considering that inspire that idea to elevate your space to new heights, embracing natural elements. One of the most effective way to enhance your depth is by incorporating natural elements into its design. Consider use sustainability material such as reclaimed wood, bamboo, or store to create a warm and invite atmosphere. Add potted hanging basket or a vertical gardening to introduce greenery and soft the edge to your depth. Natural elements not only add various interior but also promoting a scene of tranquility and connect with the outdoor. Incorporating lights for immersion. Lights play a choosy role in set the mood and immersion to your depth effect. After the sun going down, illuminate your space with a combination of overhead lights such as stream light or pending facts and account lights such as latching or concord. Considering install LED lights among the promoting to your depth or range to add a subbing glow and enhance facts. Do not get far to incorporating tape. or smart light include two adjective. They include to off the lights and create the perfect atmosphere of any oasis. Add a touch of luxury with a spa or hot tub, transforming your depth into a luxury retreat by add a spa or a hot tub away. You can relax and unwind after a long day. Whether you are preferred asleep and modern spa with built-in India or a relaxed hot tub surrounding by luxury landscape incorporating water functional into your tap hot tub design can elevate the overall aesthetic and create a scene versus right in your back deep. Embracing the excellent with embrace light choosy Raymond to create a spot like atmosphere that invite you to include a soft care and relax. Consider multi-level tap design. If you have a long backyard or unwind, consider incorporating a multi-level depth design to create various interior and maximize unavailable space. Divided your depth into multi-level or different purposes such as dining long or interest use scope reflect play fast to connect the different level and create a seamless blender benefit theme incorporating building into budget plans or range design to enhance the aesthetic interior and create a courtside look that enhance the overall aesthetic of your outdoor space. Considering your depth is an excellent of your home and optimize to create personalization outdoor retreat that reflect your style and enhance your personal style